And there we have it, a couple of rushes of bacon, beautiful beef liver. Now don't get frightened by those couple of carrots. I mean, just in case some ketogenics or paleo dudes are watching this as well, they allow them to have a carrot or two. Then I already chopped up a couple of small pieces of that bacon. There we have two beautiful lamb chops. So there it is, a beautiful piece of suit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a couple of carrots in on boil. I'll put my bacon on one of the frying pan.
I have to chop up my suit.
Don't ever be scared of fat. Now, as far as the liver is concerned, there you have it. This would be more or less 100 grams, but that's too much. If you are just a beginner, this would absolutely suffice. You do not need more than this. So there we have our bacon going. There we have some of the soup. Yeah. To put a touch of salt onto either one of them. A little bit into the carrots. There we go, and my chops can go in. Now do not salt your chops before, and the liver, make space for the liver, put the liver in as well. Now I will not leave the liver in longer than about 30 seconds on each side. Chops will need a little bit more. The soup, as you can see, the soup is going beautifully, starting to get a nice dark color. Bring the temperature down. Right. Our bacon didn't have enough fat on it, so I'm going to pour some of this beautiful suet onto it. Now remember, liver is a very powerful superfood. It's full of minerals that have got very strong taste that some people find too overpowering. And for that very reason, we are using all of these fats to camouflage the very strong taste of the liver. And also remember this, just because your child likes to lick or even bite into a lemon, it does not now mean that you have to substitute their tomorrow's glass of orange juice with lemon juice. No, and it's the same that goes for the liver. Take one bite, see if you like it. If you've enjoyed it, take another bite. If, however, your brain starts to tell you that it's had enough, then don't push it. Don't put in another morsel into your mouth. Just give it a quick toss. And there you go, you can start dishing it. The lamb chops look beautiful. So does the piece of beef. Now 2-3 days later, take out another piece from the freezer and prepare the same meal. But remember, always tries to take it with something else, a piece of steak, a piece of chop, a piece of carrot, piece of whatever, never on its own. And there you have it. Every time you pick up, you go with a small piece of bacon or small piece of soup and a small piece of liver.
Vegetable lovers.
And for the vegetarians, sorry, the keto guys or the paleo, poke on a small piece of carrot, a little liver, and yum. And there you have it, meal for a king. You take a little bit of chop, you poke in with a little bit of liver, and that way you don't even know it, that the liver is there. For a paleo guy or a ketogenics, well, you take it with a little piece of carrot. Sorry, I'm not supposed to be talking with my mouth full, but I've got to convey it to you somehow. The rest of the liver, I cut it into small pieces, and that's what I will freeze